As we all know, ChatGPT has a storage limit. Now we want to delete all files in ChatGPT. As you can see, the library tab, click it here. You can see all the images and document I have generated so far. If I want to delete specific image from the library, you can click it here and then click on delete. As you can see, this file will be moved to recently deleted and deleted permanently after 30 days. Click it here. You can apply the filter as well. As you can see here, document, spreadsheet, presentation or PDF. As you can see, if you want a specific PDF, you can simply delete it from here. If you want to delete multiple files at once, simply click on grid and you can select multiple files from here as well and click on delete. If you want to delete files permanently, you can simply go to the recently deleted files and delete it from here permanently. Click it here. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.